What if I told you that one of the most beautiful cars ever made, it is also one of the last of its kind? No turbos, no electrification hype, just a pure V8. Handcrafted luxury, and a design that still stops people in their tracks. This is the 2026 Lexus LC, and it might just be the end of an era. Asterisk, when you first look at the 2026 Lexus LC, it doesn't just feel like a car, it feels like a piece of art on wheels. This is one of those rare machines that makes you stop, stare, and honestly question whether it belongs on the road or in a museum. The long sculpted hood, the ultra-sleek roofline, and those dramatic curves flowing from front to back create a presence that's both aggressive and elegant at the same time. Lexus didn't design this car to blend in, they built it to turn heads everywhere it goes, and once you step closer, you start noticing the details. The sharp LED headlights, the signature spindle grille, and those beautifully crafted 21-inch wheels all work together to give the LC a futuristic yet timeless look. It's not overly flashy, but it has that quiet confidence that screams luxury. Whether you go for the coupe or the convertible, this car has a road presence that rivals cars twice its price. Now, under that stunning exterior lies something that's becoming rare in today's world. A naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine. No turbos, no hybrid assistance, just pure mechanical performance. This engine produces around 471 horsepower and delivers power in the smoothest, most linear way possible. When you press the accelerator, the response is immediate, and the sound, it's not just noise, it's emotion. A deep, roaring exhaust note that reminds you why V8 engines are loved by car enthusiasts worldwide. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the gear shifts are quick and refined, giving you both comfort in daily driving and excitement when you push the car harder. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.4 to 4.6 seconds, which is fast, but this car isn't just about speed. It's about how it makes you feel while getting there, and that's where the Lexus LC truly shines. This is not a hardcore track machine, it's a grand tourer. It's designed to eat up long highways while keeping you relaxed, comfortable, and fully immersed in the driving experience. The suspension system, including adaptive variable suspension, it adjusts itself depending on how you drive, giving you a smooth ride when cruising and a firmer, more controlled feel when you want to take corners more aggressively. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more special. The interior is pure craftsmanship. Lexus calls it Takumi Craftsmanship, and you can really see why. From the soft leather seats to the Alcantara and suede finishes, every surface feels premium. The stitching patterns are inspired by traditional Japanese design, giving the cabin a unique identity that you won't find in German rivals. The driver-focused cockpit wraps around you, making you feel connected to the car. The seats are heated, ventilated, and incredibly comfortable, perfect for long journeys. Yes, technically it's a four-seater, but realistically, the rear seats are more for occasional use or extra storage than actual passengers technology-wise. The 2026 LC finally feels modern and used. There's a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and a premium sound system. And if you're an audiophile, the optional Mark Levinson sound system delivers a concert-like experience inside the cabin. The interface is smoother and more intuitive than previous Lexus systems, which used to be a weak point. Safety is also well covered. You get features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more, all designed to make your driving experience not just enjoyable, but also secure. Now, let's talk about what makes this car truly unique. In a world moving rapidly toward turbocharged engines and electric vehicles, the Lexus LC stands out as one of the last luxury cars offering a naturally aspirated V8. For 2026, the hybrid version has been discontinued, leaving the V8 as the only option, which makes this car even more special for enthusiasts. But it's not perfect. The LC is not the fastest car in its class, and if you're looking for sharp, track-focused handling like a Porsche 911, this might not fully satisfy you. It's also relatively heavy, and the rear seats are not very practical. Fuel economy is another downside, sitting around 18 mpg combined, which is expected from a V8 but still worth noting. However, those flaws are almost intentional, because the Lexus LC isn't trying to be the fastest or the most practical car. It's trying to be one of the most beautiful, emotional, and luxurious driving experiences you can have, and perhaps the most interesting part. This could be one of the last chances to own a car like this. With production expected to end after the 2026 model year, the LC is not just a car anymore, it's becoming a future classic. So in the end, the 2026 Lexus LC is not about numbers on paper, it's about how it makes you feel every time you start the engine, every time you hear that V8 roar, and every time someone turns their head as you drive by. It's a car built with passion, designed to be experienced, not just driven.